In response to the VPP's demand for the reinstatement of Lokayukta officials despite the completion of charge sheets, concerns have been raised regarding the adherence to the Act governing the appointment of personnel. The VPP emphasized the Act's provisions, stressed the need to uphold the integrity of the Lokayukta by refraining from engaging retired officials, citing their minimal influence compared to serving officers. During a press conference today, Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh revealed that the Minister of Law Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh's meeting with VPP leaders had resulted in an appointment with the Chief Minister, who had agreed to discuss the matter during the upcoming budget session. However, Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the importance of strictly adhering to the Act's stipulations and avoiding politicization, urging a focus on genuine state issues. Asserting the independence of the Lokayukta from governmental influence, the minister defended the tenure and conduct of officials within the institution, emphasizing the transparency of its proceedings.
Crystal clear bakat kum ka act ngimla ban engage ya ka service jongki priyo ki bala song thai te kata kalong fundamental ya ka jingdan jong ka Lokayukta namar ka bor ka influence jong ki priyo ki balet rita kala duna shibun banyak ki priyo ki ba ki officers ki badang ren ka service te kadai baik tang kalau jom kita kenal remi, pat ba inum lah bandiwit naga at kamtam gini gini at kepalawan hadirin shibun kejengki keleng jom ka ri de ban penlong kam politics ya ni dah ke ba ya lambak lah ya ke public opinion kalau ke ba nasnohi kamlong ethical kamlong ke badan buram pat kalong ru kajing bersang pan deflect ya ke public attention naki issues kita dan kam sisa de inventory kong ampari Lyngdoh ada banyak kedua ya ke VPP pat hadirin kedua kilapan ru sa kajing kedua baru Chief Minister ya ke baru ula dap menjur di ngangek berkata bat kumjuk ke jingdon jong ke assembly session kan lah ba kadi gelenti kalat iki bakin wan rakyat ni ke jengkan bat minum lah ban kren ni ke ba palat ya ke baka at ka stipulate ke.
Regarding legislators resorting to street protests instead of utilizing the assembly for debate, Minister Paul Lyngdoh underscored the essential role of elected representatives in legislative discourse. He highlighted the electorate's expectation for lawmakers to advocate within the assembly, maintaining that street demonstrations detract from the electoral process.
The whole purpose of us having an elected house is to facilitate legislators to debate and take part in discussions. Now, the electorate has given us a mandate in each of the constituencies, whereby a constituency of say 30 to 50,000 voters would vote for a particular candidate, expecting him to represent their interest in the House of the people. But if I were to take my electors with me to the streets repeatedly, then the whole point of having elections is defeated. Second is, members of the opposition are also important members of various committees constituted by the State Assembly. Even the Public Accounts Committee, which is regarded as a mini assembly and an assembly which sits whenever the House does not sit, is headed by and chaired by a member of the opposition. Therefore, there is adequate room for the opposition to address all their issues within the four walls of the State Assembly and within the confines of the various committees constituted by the House.